Kindergarten. This is Miss Gardner, and welcome back to Writer's Workshop. Yesterday, you were with Mrs. Ralston, and she talked to you about something called a personal narrative. And we talked about how a personal narrative is simply a story about you, a story telling us about yourself. So before we get started today, we're going to go ahead and review our learning objective. Here we go. It says, I can write a personal narrative. Can you say that with me? I can write a personal narrative. That means you can write a story about yourself. Mrs. Ralston also talked about some words that we might use in our personal narrative. We might use the words I or me or mine, okay? And so yesterday it looks like she got you guys started with your front cover. So it looks like the book is titled About Me because it's going to be about yourself, a personal narrative. She has her picture here and she has by Mrs. Ralston. So far you should at least have your title, About Me, or maybe you wanted to make it a different title and that's okay. You have your picture and you should have your name at the bottom so we know who wrote the book. Okay, we're going to continue today and we're going to get started with our first page. So I'm going to go ahead and open it up. And like we talked about how some of the words that we would use in a personal narrative are words like I and me and mine. So I think I'm going to use the word I in my sentence. And I'm going to tell you, friends, something about myself. And that's what you're going to do on your front cover today, or I'm sorry, your first page, okay? So what I am going to write about and tell you guys is I'm going to say I am a teacher, okay? Because that's something about myself, okay? So I'm going to write I am a teacher, okay? I'm going to go ahead and get started with my words first, and then I'll leave space for my picture, okay? I am a teacher. Let's get started with our first word, which is I, a capital letter. Am, I'm leaving a space. Am is a sight word. Am. I am a. Okay, and then I'm going to write teacher down here at the bottom because I don't have enough room to continue on. So I'm going to start with the word teacher. What do you hear? I hear the letter T. Teacher. I hear E. Teacher. What do you hear at the end, friends? I hear R. What letter is that? R. Okay? And I'm going to go ahead and put my punctuation there because every sentence ends with punctuation. And I'm going to go back and read my sentence to you. I am a teacher. Okay, so remember our learning objective is writing a story about yourself. Am I writing something about myself to tell you about? I am. I said I am a teacher. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and make my picture so that it can match my words, okay? So I'm going to make myself up here and I'm going to draw here. I am a teacher. Okay? Go ahead and make my eyes, my nose, my mouth. Oh, I need some hair. It looks like I have my two buns in, so I'm going to go ahead and do my two buns at the top of my hair. Just like that. Okay? And I'm going to continue adding on. And I need to make something in my picture. I need to add something so people know that I'm a teacher. So maybe I'm going to make the alphabet chart. I might do that. That way someone could tell that I'm a teacher. So that's what I am going to do here. I'm just going to, I'm not going to make the entire alphabet. I'm just going to maybe write ABC so they would understand I'm a teacher. Okay? So I'll write A, B, C. Okay, oh, I need to add me some legs, and there we go. So now I have a picture to match my words. Okay, I am a teacher, and that there's a picture of me right there. So what you're going to do today is you're going to think about something you want to share with us. Maybe you want to say, I am a student, or I am a girl, or I am a boy. You can do any of those things to tell us something about yourself, because remember, a personal narrative is telling a story about yourself, okay? So on your very first page today, you are going to think about, what do you want to share with us about yourself, okay? And then after you write your sentence, then you're going to draw your picture to match your words, okay? So that's what our goal for today is, just for you to work on your first page. Write a sentence about yourself. So remember those key words: I, my, me, mine. Those need to be in your sentence, okay? And then you want to draw a picture to match your words. I'm actually going to go ahead and add my page, okay? So this is number 1 right here. So I have my sentence: I am a teacher, that tells about myself, and I have a picture here, okay? That's what you're going to do for today. Alrighty, friends, see you next time. Bye.